Brian Voynick is about to perform cutting-edge surgery. The procedure uses stem cells to treat ailments like arthritis and hip dysplasia. And right now, this is the only place on the eastern seaboard where you can get this treatment. Well, if you're a dog. This is Bentley. He's a 2-year-old Great Pyrenees, and he suffers from arthritis.
He was born with a congenital knee disorder where his knees kind of rotate out.
Bentley is old before his time. He has creaky joints and a bad knee. Numerous doctors have prescribed knee surgery, but Voynick thinks he's a good candidate for stem cell therapy.
It's the body healing itself, which is a remarkable thing. You're taking cells from the body, including now blood cells and fat cells, and injecting the stem cells that come from that back into the body.
It kind of makes sense when you think about it, so we said, why not?
Voynick has been doing stem cell therapy for about 3 years, but today he's breaking new ground. He's processing the stem cells on site and activating them for maximum effectiveness. First, he removes about a tablespoon's worth of fat, which is loaded with dormant stem cells. The fat is treated with enzymes and platelets taken from the patient's blood. The process wakes up the stem cells and sends them to work.
These cells will go in and do things that the drugs we had available before could not do. So we're using the body's own repair cells to go in and help a joint and help repair the body, reduce inflammation, increase range of motion, make them less painful.
This treatment is actually well researched in humans. The process uses adult stem cells from the patient's own body, not embryonic stem cells, which are far more controversial.
We'll be injecting them into his knees probably within an hour and a half. Yeah, we are. So 3 years ago, I was the first veterinarian to try this in dogs on the East Coast and got remarkably good results where the dogs were pain-free, some of them within 3 to 7 days of the injection of their stem cells without drugs.
We're getting dogs that aren't getting up steps that are now getting up steps. Dogs that can't get into cars are now getting into the cars.
This kind of therapy doesn't come cheap. Doing everything on site makes the process more efficient and less expensive, but it will still cost about $1,800.
I mean, I don't have any kids, so he is, he's like my baby. Hi! Hi, Blue! Oh, hi, you look so clean.
Voynick is confident stem cell therapy will become far more common in the coming years. He saw the same trend with holistic treatments, which he also uses.
I got into acupuncture in the early 90s. People thought I was a little whacked. I talked about over-vaccination in the 80s and stopped vaccinating excessively on an annual basis, and now it's well proven that that is potentially harmful to the immune system and so forth. But I'm always looking for the next better mousetrap.